Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Roof here. Today is Friday, October the 14th, 2022 AD. And I've got this guy, Silly Sounds Dino. Contents: 1 Silly Sounds Dino, and 3 AAA batteries. Okay, by Mighty Mojo Toys. It says, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. So let's open this puppy up. Got my little knife here. Got a little bit of tape on here, so it's not that bad. Just a little piece of tape there. So let's go with that. Alright, first of all, it says thank you, blah blah blah. Here's the picture, one picture on the one side. The other side, you can read that. It says, okay, so there's that. And let's see if there's no batteries, unless they must be already going to be in the. Okay, I see what they've done. They've got a little area down here. I assume that's where the batteries go. Something, yeah. Got the Velcro. Okay, so you've got a thing to put your batteries in. And you do have to, let's see, is there an on? Oh, it's on. Okay, so it's already on. So they made it so it's already on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what you do is you push this little thing right here. Hey, be nice. Don't be rude. It's kind of funny. Get the idea. So, aside from that, it's very well made. It's very plush. Feels good. The Velcro seals up pretty good. Of course, I'm going to tear this tag off here in a little bit. But aside from that, he's cute. He's adorable. He got little beanbag-like things in the bottom of his feet. So, very well made. 2 thumbs up. You hear that? He seems excited. I gave him 2 thumbs up. What do you think about that? Now you know. So until next time, I'm Randall saying thanks for watching. Have a good day.